Hi, my name is Venci Kurichkov, a MBA student in California State University of San Bernardino. For the purpose of this presentation, I will be security manager in the IT department of Stater Brothers, and the topic of this presentation would be information security in the IT operations of Stater Brothers. So let's start with the data center that we maintain down in San Diego, California. So first, where we stand. Uh, the data center we are using maintains a uninterruptible electric power supplies to maintain power even if the power to the building is interrupted. The building also has a redundant heating, ventilating and air conditioning equipment that is capable of maintaining temperature and range suitable for computing and network equipment. That data center also has a two redundant network connections, and they also maintain a help desk which staff is available for assistance at any time during the day or night. My only recommendation here for the data center is that we request the data center to provide a security guards on the premises. Now let's talk about the potential cyber threats that are facing any network. The first one is denial of service attack, which is basically a way that which disable infrastructure devices by flooding them with overwhelming number of requests. A distributed denial of service attack is a type of denial of service attacks that is using a multiple computers called zombies, and they all together send the request to the particular server. Intrusion. Intruders usually gain access to a company's internal IT infrastructure by multiple methods. Some of them could involve obtaining usernames and passwords, and those are the most common. One of the most common way is the so-called social engineering, where intruders will make people give away their security information. Viruses and worms are malicious software programs that replicate, spreading themselves to other computers. The damage they do might be minor, such as defacing a website or server, or severe, such as erasing the content of a computer's disk drive. Now, what are the possible defense mechanisms that we can use? Let's start with firewall. Firewall is a collection of hardware and software designed to prevent unauthorized access to a company's internal computer resources. The next, authentication, describes the variety of techniques and software used to control who access elements of computing infrastructure. Encryptions refers to the rendering the content of electronic transmission unreadable by anyone who might intercept them. Legitimate recipients can decrypt transmission content by using a piece of data called a key. The recipient typically possesses the key for decryption as a result of previous interaction. A regular software update is the next one, and it refers to attacks that are successfully launched thanks to the weakness in the company system, for which patches or fixes already exist, but they have not been installed on time. Intrusion detection helps the network administrator recognize when their infrastructure is or has been under attack. Now let's move to the next, the recommendations at near the end of this presentation. My recommendation is to implement security policies, and the first one is use of mandatory passphrases, that is, instead of regular passwords, which are much easier to guess. The second recommendation is strict limit on people with network access by departments. The third recommendation is limit the number of services running on company network, and the last recommendation is restrict network users downloads. With this this completes this presentation, and thank you for your attention.